Hey guys, it's Cindy Marquez, designated broker of Home Pros Advantage and your go-to certified marketer, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create carousels on Canva for your Instagram. So let's get started. Okay, so before we begin, I just want to quickly show you what a carousel is. So carousels are basically images that you create that people can scroll through. So the reason why it's for Instagram only and not Facebook is because Facebook gives you the image. When you post images, it gives you like one next to the other and then on the bottom and everything. With Instagram, you have to scroll through each image to see all of them. So that's what this basically is. So why you should post carousels, and then from there they scroll to the next page, and then they see this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, until the end. So it's basically them scrolling. So again, with Facebook, it doesn't really give you that option, that seamless option. So if you notice that this arrow right here starts here, but ends on the next page. So there's little things that you can do with it. So then here goes along here, and so on. So we're going to create one of these really easily for Instagram. Specifically for real estate agents to put on their social media. So the very first thing, as always, is you're going to log into your account. You're going to search carousel. And when you search up carousel, it gives you all of these options that you can choose from. What we don't want to do is create one from scratch. It's possible, but it just takes longer. If they already give you templates that you can use and that you like, I don't see why we shouldn't use them. So from here, we're just going to choose that one that we like. And like this one, super to the point, easy. So we're just gonna go and click customize this template. And so here you can see that you're given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images here. And the first thing that we can do is actually just customize it to the colors that we want. In my case, I have my brand and everything all set up for me when I have the Pro. So if you guys have the Pro, you guys can customize it to your brand colors really easily. So let's say I want black. So then you just go through each one. You can also add your logo, company logo on the front or the back, the last page. Here you go, right here. And then we start customizing. So you might be thinking, what do I have to do to get information about this? What type of content should I be putting this as a real estate agent? Well, ChatGPT gives you many ideas that you guys can put on here. For example, I did one about the five mistakes first-time homebuyers make. Designed with clarity, emotional appeal, and swipe-worthy language. So right here we got our title. So 5 common mistakes first-time homebuyers make. All you have to do is copy, paste, and then you go back. Buying your first home. Don't let these avoidable slip-ups cost you big. Swipe through to buy smart. See, 5 common mistakes first-time home buyers make. Buying your first, don't let these avoidable slip-ups cost you big. Swipe through to buy smart. And same thing, you just go through every single one. So like, for example, this first one, mistake number 1, house hunting before pre-approval. So you just paste right here. You can make it smaller if you want, if it's too big. Right there. Go back. Falling in love with a home before knowing what you can afford leads to frustration and wasted time. Always get pre-approved first. Your dream home depends on it. So there, all you do is paste, and there, that's point 1. Then point 2, So you just go through ChatGPT and Canva, ChatGPT and Canva. So forgetting about the extras. So what does that mean? It's not just the price tag factors in closing costs, inspections, taxes, HOA fees, and moving expenses. Budget with your eyes wide open. Something like that. And again, you don't have to use everything that ChatGPT gives you. It doesn't feel like something that you would say, change it, customize it. ChatGPT also has a great memory if you have the Pro. So what you do is you tell it about yourself and the way that you talk and the way that you speak, and it actually remembers. So when it creates posts and stuff like that for you, it keeps in mind who you are and the types of things that you would likely say. So number 3, skipping home inspections. So again, you just go through every single one of these, copy, paste, so on, and then you keep going. So let's say we just want 3 or 4. And so you have this, 3. So let's change this to 3 common mistakes. 1, 2, 3. And then for the last one, we can just add an optional. So ready to buy with confidence. So that can be like your ending. Ready to buy with confidence? Let's chat. I help first-time homebuyers navigate every step of the journey. DM me to get started. Right there. And so you can customize this again to you. So for example, let's say you want to add your image. You can just go to your uploads. Again, you can also save your image to your brand. So in this case, our save is my dad's photo. So we'll just use his for example. So right there, you can change the colors of the oops. There. Then you can add your image here, customize it. So ready to buy with confidence. Let's chat. Josh Marquez, designated broker of add your phone number, email. So you can customize it to however you'd like and everything if you want to have your information at the end of the infographic or the carousel right there. So what it does is when people scroll, they're going to see each one. So all you have to do is once you're done editing, fixing it to however you like it, to your colors, your brand, and so on, all you would do is save the image, transfer to your phone, upload in order, and there you go. You got an easy post for social media that engages your potential customers. So that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, I'm always here to help. Danae Marquez, designated broker of Home Pros Advantage, and we'll see you next time.